Thank you for your patience, everyone. My name is Michael, and this performance is called Functional MRI. It's not very funky, I do apologize for that. It was just a funny name. But basically what this is how many of you have ever heard or imagined a rhythm as you are scanning in the scanner? Yeah, okay, I see some hands. So yeah, there is a bit of a rhythm to some of the MRI noises, and some are just total cacophony. And so I, at some point a few years ago, I had an idea to combine those to basically make something that was a little more musical. And so what I did is I took recordings of full sequences of MRI scanners as they ran, and I edited them into little chunks, and then I assigned those chunks to a sampling program. It was GarageBand, but it's a secret sampling program within GarageBand that's really weird to use. But basically, I assigned those to MIDI inputs, and MIDI stands for Musical Instrument Digital Input. And what you see here is an electronic drum kit, and each of these pieces of the drum kit sends a different MIDI signal. And so I mapped different sounds produced by MRI scanners to the different parts of this drum kit for your listening pleasure. And I'm just going to improvise a bit and play around with it, so I hope you enjoy.
That sounds familiar?